So, good morning, students. Let us continue with numerical problems of circles, properties of angles. In circles, we are doing properties of angles, that too numerical problems. In the following figure, ABCD is a cyclic quadrilateral. ABCD is a cyclic quadrilateral. AB is the diameter of circle. In the following figure, ABCD is a cyclic quadrilateral whose diameter of circle ABCD, whose side AB is the diameter of circle through ABCD. If angle ADC, find angle BAC. BAC. Cyclic quadrilateral means you know already. Quadrilateral whose points lie on the circle is called cyclic quadrilateral. Properties of cyclic quadrilateral already we have discussed. The opposite angles of cyclic quadrilateral are supplementary. Here AB is the diameter. So they give this angle. They are asking find angle. What they are asking? Find angle BAC. BAC. BAC they are asking. This angle they are asking. So sum of opposite angles of cyclic quadrilateral are 180. If this is 140, what can you say about this one? 40. Why? Because opposite angles of cyclic quadrilateral are supplementary. You write down that step. Angle ABC is equal to 40 degrees since opposite angles of cyclic quadrilateral are supplementary. Next, since this is AB is the diameter, right? So if AB is the diameter, this angle is how much? Angle in the semicircle is right angle, right? Angle in the semicircle is right angle. So this is the semicircle. So if you mark the points and if you join this, always the angle is 90 degrees. So 90 plus 40, how much? 130. So 130 plus this is 50. 50, 40, 90, 90, 40, 90, 90, 180. So hence the problem. Very simple. I applied cyclic quadrilateral. Opposite angles of cyclic quadrilateral supplementary. This is 140. This will be 40. Next, angle in the semicircle. You write down angle ACB is 90 degrees. So angle in the semicircle is 90. If this is 90, so already 40. That means this should be 50. Sum of the angles of a triangle. Very simple. Please try to do by yourself. Since you are in 10th, I am not writing steps. You write down by yourself. Why? How to write? Angle D and angle B is equal to 180. Angles in the sum of opposite angles of cyclic quadrilateral 180. Angle ACB is equal to 90 degrees. Why? Angle ACB is equal to 90 degrees. Angle ACB is equal to 90 degrees. Angle in semicircle here. Angle in semicircle is 90 degrees. Right? So therefore, again consider triangle ABC. Triangle ABC, sum of triangles of a triangle 180. So already it is 90, 40. So that means this will be 50. Next one. So this problem is very important. The opposite angles of a cyclic quadrilateral are in the ratio 4:5. This is very simple. The opposite angles of a cyclic quadrilateral are in the ratio 4:5. The opposite angles of a cyclic quadrilateral are in the ratio 4:5. Find these angles in degrees. So just rough diagram. A, B, C, D. The opposite angles of cyclic quadrilateral are in the ratio 4:5. So let the angles be 4x, 5x. So this angle is 4x, this angle is 5x. So what is the properties? The opposite angles of cyclic quadrilateral are supplementary. 4x plus 5x is equal to 180. So 5x is equal to 180. So x is equal to 180 by 5. 5 3s are 15, 5 6s are 30. Answer. 5 plus 4 is 9x here. I am sorry. Please make a note of this. 5 plus 4 is 90. 5 plus 4 is 9. 9x is equal to 180. So x is equal to 180 by 2. 180 by 9, that is 20. Right? So 4 into 20, 5 into 20. 4 20 is 80, 5 to the 100. So these angles are 80 and 100. Right? Next one. ABCD is a cyclic quadrilateral. Cyclic quadrilateral. So all different models we are covering. ABCD is a cyclic quadrilateral. ABCD is a cyclic quadrilateral in which AB is parallel to CD. One more condition he is giving. ABCD is a cyclic quadrilateral in which AB is parallel to CD and angle B is 65. Angle B is 65. So he is asking find the other angles of the quadrilateral. So this. Right? So how will you do this one? There are so many methods. Since these two lines are parallel, they give ABCD is a cyclic quadrilateral, angle B is 65. Find all the other angles. Angle A, angle D, angle A, angle D, angle C. What are these angles? So how will you do this one? So here 65. When you add these two, the result should be how much? These two lines are parallel. Or else do one thing. If you are getting confused, this straight angle, no? Straight angle measures how much? 180 degrees. 180 minus 165. Go for this. 180 minus 7 minus 6, 115. So this is 115. Right? So exterior angle of a cyclic quadrilateral is equal to interior opposite angle. This is also 115. Are you following? Straight angle, I am saying that straight angle measures 180 degrees. So this is 65, this will be 115. So exterior angle of a cyclic quadrilateral is equal to interior opposite angle. So angle D is over. Or when you add these two, see the result 180 degrees. Next one. So how will you calculate this one? Again, these two lines are parallel. So sum of interangles lying on the same side of transversal is 180. So this is 115. So this is also 115. Right? So if this is 65, this will be 150. 115. When you add this, the result is 180 degrees. Angles, sum of the angles lying on same side of transversal. These are the two parallel lines and this is a transversal, so their sum is 180. So if this is 115, this is 65. Opposite angles of cyclic quadrilateral supplement, you know, this is 65. So here angle D is, angles are 115, 115 and 65. That's it. There ends the problem. Next one, another problem. Just simple question. 65 opposite angles 180. So or else you can go for this. And some of these two supplement the angles lying on same side of transversal. If the lines are parallel, their sum is always 180. If the lines are parallel, sum of interangles lying on same side of transversal is 180. Go for that. Therefore, there is the problem. Next one. In the following figure, ABC is an equilateral triangle. Find angle BDC and BEC. ABC is an equilateral triangle. ABC is an equilateral triangle. ABC is an equilateral triangle. Find angle BDC and BEC. BEC. How will you do this one? So very simple. Equilateral triangle means each angle is 60, 60, 60, right? So what they are asking, in the following figure ABC is the equilateral triangle, find angle BDC, BEC. BDC, BEC. BDC, BEC. BDC, BEC. So in an equilateral triangle, each angle is 60, no? And triangle ABC is equilateral. So equilateral means each angle is 60. See here, this angle and this angle, they are lying on the same arc, no? This one. So angles in the same segment. So if this is 60, this is also 60. Right? So angle ABDC is also 60. Angles in the same segment of circle are equal. Now cyclic quadrilateral. ABEC is a cyclic quadrilateral because their points are lying on the same circle of a quadrilateral. So if this is 60, this will be 120. So angle BDC is 60 and angle what is that? And angle BEC. BEC is 120. There it is the problem. It's a very simple question. Next one. This is another important question. Here, look at this picture carefully. They are asking the value of x. In the given figure, P and Q are the centers of two circles. Here, P is the center of this circle, Q is the center of this circle, right? So now, P and Q are centers of two circles intersecting B and C, intersecting at B and C. So they are intersecting at these circles, this circle and this circle. P and Q are centers of two circles intersecting B and C and ACD, and ACD is a straight line. If angle APB is 150, find the value of x. Find the value of x. Once again, in the given figure, P and Q are the centers of two circles intersecting at B and C, These are the two circles, they are intersecting at here, B and C. And ACD is a straight line, you see here, ACD is a straight line. And if angle APB is 150, find the value of x. So first join this one, right? So now BCQD is a cyclic quadrilateral, right? BCQD is a cyclic quadrilateral. How will you do this one? It's very simple. If this is 150, so what can you say about this one? 75, no? Angle APB is here. This one and this one. They are lying on the same arc. This arc. So if this is 150, this will be 75, right? Are you following? So if this is 75. Next, here if this is 75, what can you say about this one? It is 115, right? 105, 115, it is 105 degrees. 105 plus 75, 180, because straight angle measures 180 degrees, right? Straight angle measures 180 degrees. So this plus this is 180. Now here, what you do is this one. Here, not here, BQCD is not a cyclic quadrilateral, just, I am sorry, it is not a cyclic quadrilateral. Q is inside the point O. What I am saying is, if this is X, what can you say about this one? Reflex 360 minus X, right? Are you following what I am saying? This reflex angle, angle BOD is equal to 360 minus X, right? So now apply angle properties theorem. Angle formed at the center of circle is double the angle formed at any point on the remaining part of the circle. See here, this one and this angle, they are lying on the same arc, right? So this, actually this is a picture. So this angle and this angle, so sorry, angle formed at the center of circle is double the angle formed at any point on the remaining part of the circle. I am sorry, please make a note of this. Angle formed at the center is double, that means half of this is equal to this one. So 105 degrees is equal to half of 360 minus X, right? So calculate the value of X from this. 105 is equal to half of 360 is 180 minus X by 2, right? So bring this X here and this to that side. X by 2 is equal to 180 minus 105. 10 minus 5 is 5, it is 7, 75, right? So 175. 10 minus 5 is 5, 7. 7 minus 0, 7. So it is 175. 180 minus 105. 10 minus 5 is 5, it is 7. So 75. So here X by 2 is equal to 75. Therefore X is equal to 150. Right, are you following? X by 2 is equal to 75, X is equal to 150. So therefore this angle is also equal to 150. So once again I will explain this problem. Here this angle is 150. Straightforward question. Here this angle is how much? 75. Angle formed at the center is double. Half of this one will be 75. So what I am saying is, from these two, develop the relationship between these two. Straight angle measures 180. So 75 plus 105 is 180. Now here what I am saying is, earlier I said PQCD is a cyclic quadrilateral. It is a mistake. Please pardon me. That is not cyclic quadrilateral. Cyclic quadrilateral means point should lie on the circle. So here this point Q is inside. So it is not a cyclic quadrilateral. Now again go for this reflex angle. If this is X, so this will be 360 minus X, reflex angle. So angle formed at the center is half the angle formed at any point on the remaining. So if you take this one, this will be the remaining part. So this is 360 minus X. Half of 360 minus X is equal to this one, 105. Right? Half of this will give you this one. So I calculate this X value. So half of 360 minus X is 360 is 180 minus X by 2. 180 minus 105 is 75. 180 minus 105. 180 minus 105 is 75 degrees. So 75 degrees, X by 2 is 75. X value is 150. So that's it. So thank you students, have a nice day. We'll meet you in the next class. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Please click on the blue color icon button. Thank you, have a nice day, bye.